Next, we're going to drain the oil from the vehicle by removing the drain plug, which is in the oil pan. It's best if you can use a socket so you don't strip the drain plug. They can be pretty tight at times. I'd recommend just using a hand wrench, not an air tool. So select the appropriate size socket. If you got a creeper, comes in handy. I'm going to slide under there, take this plug out, let the oil drain into the drain pan.